In this lesson, I want to show you how to make New Year's skewers in SolidWorks. Let's draw the pieces. Let's draw the pieces of bread on the top plane. Alright, to make sure everything is perfectly clear, let's take a moment to specify exactly what we mean here. We're going to set the parameters to 10 by 10, just as we previously agreed upon. This way, there won't be any confusion, and everyone will be on the same page moving forward. We'll use a linear pattern. Here, let's select this face. Let's set it to 20. In the objects to be patterned, let's select our cube. Let's make 3 pieces of bread. It's just that they didn't close. Let's draw a line from here. Let's exit the sketch. Let's extrude. 10. Okay. Let's round off our cubes. Oh, not all of them got rounded. One cube is rounded. The second cube is rounded. And the third cube is rounded. This will be our bread. Now let's put sausages between the cubes. Let's enter 5 since it's asking for the diameter now. Let's make this line tangent to our circle, and everything else will be set automatically. Let's exit the sketch. Let's extrude. Let's turn on to surface. Here, let's select this face. Okay. Let's round our sausage. Like this a bit more. Let's make it 4 millimeters. 5. There, 5. No, 5 turned it into a ball. 4? Yes, 4. Let's use a linear array. Here is the body, and now we will choose this ball. It is a hemisphere. Here, we will enter the distance as 10, no, actually 2, no, not 3. But instead we will make 2 pieces in total. Enter. There we go. Now let's thread the stick through. Let's carefully find the center point right here by slowly drawing lines, just like this, making sure each line is placed accurately and precisely. We can take the line tool like this and draw along our segment until a yellow dot appears. That will indicate the center. Then cross these 2 lines and draw a circle at the center. Like this. Let's extrude our circle. Click, 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 click. This way in one direction, and then in the other direction. Just like that. Okay. We'll disconnect the copper across the street. Now we'll apply organic materials specifically wood. Let's carefully put the wood on the stick. I've already downloaded the texture of this bread and the texture of the sausage. Now I'll just take the texture and find it in the folder. One moment. Okay. Here, we take the texture and move it over. This is our bread texture. We lay it out, drag it, lay it out, drag it, and then apply it. I see that it actually turned out a bit too small, so we'll just make it a little bigger. Let's select it, click Edit, Mapping. Here are the functions. We take this and this and this. Now, let's select this and this. Let's select this and this. And scale the texture. There. Maybe not that much. Like this. Okay. Now, let's select this plane, edit it again, and only increase its size. Oh, it turned out super huge. Okay. There we go. Now, let's apply the sausage material to our sausage. For this, I've already downloaded these sausage textures. Just drag it onto our object, like this. We collect and transfer. There. Well, I think this texture size will be enough. This was Robert F. Tefiv. Bye bye everyone.